Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take your own proper and accurate body measurement for a shirt all by yourself. This measurement can be used to create a sewing pattern, and you can also use this measurement to double check a commercially sold pattern so you can have an idea of what size you belong to. If you want to see how to get along in doing this, please keep watching and hit the like button. Also consider subscribing to this channel. To take this measurement, you will need the following tools. The first tool you obviously need is a measuring tape, and you also need something to take down your measurement, such as a paper and pen. I will also be sharing with you 3 tips to make this process a whole lot easier. The first tip is for you to have a mirror close by, which will be very useful to take some slightly technical measurements, while the next tip is for you to wear a body fitted cloth that is having a shoulder seam and a side seam, and you can also wear a bodysuit, while the last tip is for you to have a paper tape. Now let's jump right into this video, starting with the chest. Measure 2 inches below your armpit. At that point, wrap the tape measure around the fullest part of your chest circumference. Ensure it passes across your shoulder blade at the back. This is why having a mirror is useful, because you'll be able to see your back clearly, then take note of your measurement. Next up is the waistline. I am going to be measuring around the waistline, which is the tiniest part of the stomach or the belly area, and then you breathe in and out, as well pass a finger underneath the tape to ensure it is not too tight on your body. Ensure to take a look at the mirror to know it is sitting at the right place around your waist circumference, then record your measurement. After this, the next one you need to measure is your hip, which is the fullest part around your butt. Take a look at the mirror, then you move around the tape measure to ensure it is okay, then you can proceed recording your measurement. Moving to the neck circumference, measure 2 inches up from the neck, then mark that point with your finger. Then you can place the tape on the point and wrap around your neck. Make sure you can put a finger in between the tape, then you can record your measurement. The next part of this measurement is the horizontal measurement. Now let's start with the across shoulder. This is from the center back neck to your shoulder tip. Position the tape across your shoulder, then measure from your shoulder tip to your center back neck. Very simple. Record your measurement. Across chest measurement. Measure from the mid armhole to your center line. This measurement is essentially the same as across back measurement, which is measuring from the center back line from the mid armhole across the shoulder blade. Vertical measurement. Back neck to waist. This is from the bottom of your back neck straight down to your waistline. To do this, you will need to pre-mark the center back waist for reference. Use a paper tape to pre-mark this point, then you measure from the nape at neck to the reference point you made on your back waist, then record your measurement. Sky depth or armhole. This simply means the arm's eye, that is the hole where the arm fits to the body. To take these measurements, you will need to pre-mark another reference point at the back chest line, then measure from the nape at neck to that reference point you made on your back chest line, then you can record your measurement. Moving to the next segment, which is the arm measurement, and we'll be starting with the sleeve length. This varies with fashion and style. For long sleeve, measure from your shoulder tip down to your wrist bone, and for short sleeve, measure from your shoulder tip to your bicep. Then you can decide your preferred length and you take down your measurement. Moving to your bicep, and the bicep is the fullest part of your arm. Measure the circumference by wrapping the tape around the bicep. Moving to the close wrist measurement. This is essentially around your wrist bone. Extra measurement, which is the shirt length. Measure this from your shoulder parallel to center line down to your desired shirt length. If you want to know how to read the measuring tape, check the video in the description. See you in the next one. Peace.